Hey and welcome to this new video of learning and mastering Symfony 3. So in this video we will continue what we were doing in the previous video and validate that. So in the previous video we learned how we can upload a file or an image through this form. So now in this video we learn how to tell Symfony that we want just the image to be uploaded and just with extension uh, GPG or GIF or GPAG. Why is that? Because, for example, if this formula if we finish the website and we deploy it to a server, and for example a hacker come and he will here type, for example, he will type anything, and here in the image file he will choose, for example, to upload a script or a bash script or something that can delete our database, or he creates him a backdoor. So basically we need to avoid that by doing some validator to this file so that we can just upload just image. And to do that we need to go and apply those validator to our image type or to our so if we go here to the form, I will close the web s blog. Where is our blog bundle? And go here to form and use it in here with image type. So how we can do that, let's see. So we'll go to our not in form but our entity image. So and we will use like we use in the post entity, we'll use some validator like in here not blank and length. So first I will copy this because I will need it in here in image, and I will paste it in here. Basically here it's not important to use assert like me, you can use whatever other variable you want. So let's go to here the URL and let's use now the validator. So add assert anti/, let's use for example not empty, so not blank, and let's use another, it's a function called file. So file, and inside this function there is a mime type. So mime type equal, and here we will specify or and say, for example, the extension that we need. So for example image.jpg image.jpg and GIF, and the other, for example, image that or the other extension that we want. Here let me just add the GIF here. Let's save now. Let's add the other one, PNG. So and here PNG. So let's save. But this is not enough. Why? Because we have in the formula or in the form we have like a form of the image form inside the post form. So we need also here to the variable, to the image variable, and add like another validator. So assert dash valid with capital V. So now let's save and go now to the navigator and check. I will just refresh this, and let's see now what we will get. Validator, I must write something wrong, so let me just go back and see. So let me go back, and here F with capital F. So let's go back now and refresh. And now let's type in here anything. Here also let's make it active, and let's choose something that is not one of those extensions. So I will use this. It has .exe, so you will see what will happen. So save. And if you see here, it gives us this error, and the MIME type of file is invalid. So now let's see how we can personalize or customize this error message. So let's go back in the image, and here we add the message. So it's the same for min and max in length in post. So MIME type message equal, and let's, for examples, I will just go back to the line like in here. So here invalid type, and let's remember him of the type that he tried to execute or to upload. So we'll type here type go comma, and those are the valid type, and go back in here and type types. Let's save. So now let's go back and see. Let's refresh this. MIME type message, I forget the S. Yeah, here S. So now let's save. Let's go back, refresh, and now let's again try to upload, for example, a .exe. So here upload file, let's search for the, or let's just see if I have a word, for example here. Yeah, this is a word, so I will copy it, save, and now I should have, or he should show me the message. So now here file is too large, allowed. So let me choose another. I forget with, for example, this one. Save. See here invalid type, and this is for this. There's a document that I try to upload, and those are the valid type. And he remember me, or he put the type that we insert in our MIME types. So now let's go and see another important parameter, or another validator, is the size. So for example, we see that you can't upload more than, for example, 20 mega or 100 kilo or something. So let's see how we can do that and specify the max size. And here let's add it. So I will go back to line so you can see it well, and max size equal to, for example, if we put here just 2, he will take by default 2 byte, and we can put, for example, 2 mega or 2 kilo. So let's say 2 mega, and the same thing in here. If we want to customize the error message, so we will use like a max size message and write the message. So I will save this, and this is all for this video. See you next.